How to fix login errors on Sephora. If you're having issues signing into your Sephora application, there are a couple of ways on how you can fix it. First, we want to make sure that your internet connection is working just fine. Then you can simply try to open up your settings app on Android. Then from here you can simply navigate to the apps section. From here you can simply locate or search for the Sephora app and tap on it. Now on Android, once you're taken to the app info page, you can go to storage, clear the cache files, and also clear the data, which will reset the app. If you're on iPhone, by the way, offload the app and also try to reinstall the app. Once you've done that, check if the Sephora app has an update on your respective app store. If it does, make sure to update it to the latest version. After that, if you're still not being able to log in, then chances are basically due to incorrect login details. So over here, you want to make sure that your login details are correct. Here it says sign in. So of course you can tap the sign in button and then enter your email address and then enter your password as well. In case you don't know what password you typed in, you can tap on the I button next to it, or in case you happen to forget your password, tap on the forgot password button. It will send an email to your particular email that you've sent it. Then once done, you should be able to choose a new password without having to reset or remember your old password. Hopefully one of these may have helped to solve the login problem in Sephora. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.